Is it really possible to boost your credit scores over 100 points in 30 days? Yes, however, you must follow the right steps. Now, if you've been struggling with bad credit, stay tuned because we're going to be discussing with you exactly how to boost your scores easily and effortlessly while not having to worry about disputing every single item from your credit report. Now, a higher credit score means better loan approvals, lower interest rates, as well as more financial freedom. Now, let's break this down. Can you actually improve your credit scores quickly and easily within a 30-day time frame, specifically 100 points? Yes. However, let's talk about the 5 quick and easy hacks and ways that you can actually remove those items as well as boost your scores without having to do much. Now, the first thing is paying down your credit card. I cannot stress this enough. Your credit card or your credit utilization is one of the things that are actually keeping your scores down. So if you pay those credit cards down below 30 or 10%, then this is going to actually immediately boost your credit scores. You can't contact us and we're going to be discussing with you exactly how you can do it because we need to know what's going on with you as well as how we can devise a plan to help you be able to reach your goal. Now, coming up, there's a quick and easy way to remove your negative items without having to file dispute after dispute. How do you do this? All you have to do is first and foremost, if a creditor has reached out to a collection agency and they're actually trying to collect the debt from you, what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to that collection agency and request for validation. Tell them that you would like for them to send you a written document or contractual agreement, which is validation, and tell them that you would like for them to show you proof that the debt belongs to you. You would like for them to provide you that within the 14 to 15 day time period. If not, you will be taking legal action because obviously they are reporting something that they should not be reporting. So make sure to contact them if you have not done that already. But what if you're paying your bills on time but your scores still are not increasing? This next trick will improve that. Becoming an authorized user. Simply just a copy and paste system where someone else's credit card information is put onto your credit report is 100% and completely legal. And what this is basically it's going to boost your scores. As simple as it is, having a family member, or you can reach out to us and we have a list of authorized user trade lines that you can add to your credit report. But when you add it, this is going to give you an immediate boost. Adding an AU trade line to your credit report. That is simply a copy and paste system where someone's credit card is put on your credit report. This is 100% legal and this is going to actually boost your credit scores immediately. If you do not know what it is, reach out to us and we're going to explain even further how to add AU trade lines to your credit profile. Also, adding utilities. If you add up to 2 years of rental history as well as 2 years of utilities to your credit report, this is going to give you that instant boost to your credit scores. So what you're going to do is, if you can go to the description and the link below, we're going to provide to you exactly how to add 2 years of rental history and utility to your credit report. And this is going to boost your scores anywhere between 40 to 50 points. Now, this is extremely important. If you're trying to apply for credit, make sure not to dispute and also not to apply for more than 3 or 4. Now, we want you to know this. Make sure not to apply for too many credit cards at one time, especially within a 1 month time period. It's going to drastically drop your scores. So just be very, very modest with basically applying for things because you don't want your scores to drop, and it's going to also be a red flag for you. Now that you know how to raise up your credit scores over 100 points, take advantage of it and do that now. Now, in summary, this is how you boost your credit scores over 100 points in 30 days. Pay down your credit card balances. Dispute and remove your negative items. Contact us if you need any assistance. Get added to an AU trade line. Open a credit building account, as well as do not apply for more hard inquiries than you actually need to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you want to watch more videos. Also, if you need any assistance, contact us at 225-733-6429, or you can email us at credithealing@gmail.com or contact us at credithealing.org. And if you're ready to get started and you want to get a free consultation,